So 4.3 builds on 3.5 in that the first thing we start off with is just refreshing our memory on this. So to graph y equals x minus 4 squared, you shift the graph of y equals x squared to the, and since it's subtract, it would be right a distance of 4 units. I guess they wanted us to, it was a pull down menu. Drag the function, So what we're doing on these that you have to pay attention to that's new, not so much on the up and down, the vertical shift ones, but the left and right shift ones. If you look at these, they're not just left and right in parentheses, they're actually going to FOIL them out. So right here we have the graph of x squared minus 1 because it's just a vertical shift. Let's go ahead and do all of our vertical shifts. So this one just went down 3, but the graph also flipped. So we'd have negative x squared subtract 3. That's more. Okay. So over here we have it went right 1. So right 1. So I'd have x subtract 1 squared. So I'd have to FOIL this to get x squared subtract 2x plus 1. So that would be x squared subtract 2x plus 1. Over here we have that we went left 1, so we'd have x plus 1 squared. So x times x would give us our x squared plus 2x plus 1. This one we have that it went right 1, so x subtract 1 squared and then up 2. X subtract 1 squared plus 2. So we have our x squared subtract 2x plus 1 plus 2. So x squared subtract 2x plus 3. Over here we have down 1, and I believe that's another down 1, although it kind of looks like 10 in this thing. So I'd have x plus 1 squared subtract 1, so this would be x squared plus 2x plus 1 subtract 1, so these would cancel out. We'd have x squared plus 2x. So I'd have on this one, we went right 1, down 1, so this would be x subtract 1 squared subtract 1, so x squared plus 2x x squared subtract 2x, and then we'd have plus 1 subtract 1, so these would cancel out. Last one, subtract 1 plus 2, so where am I going to write this? X plus 1 squared plus 2, so we have x squared plus 2x plus 1 plus 2, so x squared plus 2x plus 3.